Welcome back to EG Financials. Today we're taking a look at this interesting report by Redfin stating that we've seen a significant increase in million-dollar houses across the United States. We'll go through it, look at some charts and some of the key highlights I made. And starting off with the headline, nearly 1 in 10 US homes are worth at least $1 million, close to an all-time high. And like we've mentioned on this channel a few times, the reason that home prices continue to appreciate is because of low inventory. And this chart shows a percentage of homes in the United States that are worth at least $1 million. This chart is showing us that back in June 2019, the percentage of million-dollar homes was at 4.1%. And we more than doubled in June 2022, where it was 8.6% of homes were $1 million or higher. And now currently, with the most recent data points, June 2023, we're at 8.2%. And let's take a look at what's driving this price appreciation. Today's elevated mortgage rates are discouraging potential sellers, with homeowners staying put to keep their relatively low mortgage rates. A lot of these homeowners have mortgage rates at 2.5% to 3%, which are historic low rates. Inventory is so low that even though many buyers are sidelined by high rates, those who are in the market are competing for the few homes for sale. That's driving home prices up and pushing many of those on the cusp above the $1 million mark. The supply shortage is making many listings feel hot. But again, it's just a supply issue because demand has cooled due to high interest rates and affordability. And again, many economists expected a recession at the end of 2023 or early 2024, but now they're expecting it to be a lot more mild than previously thought. And this is making potential buyers on the sideline a lot more confident to purchase a home now. And next, we're taking a look at the impact of mortgage rates on your monthly mortgage payment. A buyer purchasing a $1 million home would have a monthly mortgage payment of about $6,600 with June's average 6.7% rate, up from a monthly payment of $5,900 with last June's typical rate of about 5.5%. And as of today, August 14th, 2023, mortgage rates are actually higher than 7%. They're at about 7.15%. So that further increases the buyer's mortgage payments. And again, two of the main factors driving these prices in the United States are the low interest rates that we had back in 2020, 2021, and even early 2022, and also taking into account the work from home policies that many employers had. Like we've seen in previous videos posted on this channel, the United States is kind of broken in two sides. The eastern side still continues to see high price appreciation, and here we can see the cities that are seeing those price gains. And then the western side is seeing price declines or price pullbacks. And here we have some of those cities mentioned. And I'm not reading through these details here because we do have a chart down below summarizing all this. And we'll start off by taking a look at this table to see which cities had the largest increases in million-dollar homes. And we have Bridgeport, Connecticut on top, and then Boston. And most of these cities that we see on top of this list are East Coast cities. And next, let's take a look to see who's at the bottom of this list. We have Seattle with the largest decrease in million-dollar homes, Oakland, Oxnard, Los Angeles, Austin, San Diego, and Honolulu. And then we have San Jose and San Francisco, the tech areas. And that's it for today. Make sure you follow for more updates. In the next few days, we'll be covering the real estate market forecast from top institutions, so make sure you follow.